This is a really interesting angle. I've got the palette here. Couldn't really balance it on anything else. Welcome to this video. I'm Emily and I like gardening. I'm a wedding florist. This is my first video doing like a talky one. Please excuse that I'm awkward. Yeah, so I want to do a tour of the garden at the moment. It's March the 26th, I think, 2020. The corona outbreak is in full force at the moment. Gardening is pretty much the only thing to do except my emails and things, because I've had a lot of weddings postponed for next year that we're due to get married soon. I have changed seating positions because it's sunny and it's lovely and hot in the greenhouse. Yeah, the only thing is I can't really see because it's that bright. But yeah, I was gonna say I want to do start doing tours of my garden throughout the year, and do just like vlog style videos, sped up like videos of doing certain projects and stuff. So like when we're planting things and there's lots of them, I'll do like a sped up video of it. Probably won't show my face much because I just don't really like to. I thought I'd just do the first video just showing what the garden looks like at the moment. Certain part of it does look a bit like shit because it's just a load of crap on the patio at the moment. But yeah, let's get showing you the garden. So first of all, let's show you the greenhouse. This is my little greenhouse. I got it off eBay for I think just around £50, which isn't bad. Not got much in here at the moment because it's still quite cold at nights, but in the day it's like 25 degrees, and yesterday it was like over 30, so it was really hot. I've got in here some onions, African marigolds, amaranthus, Brussels, beetroot, another beetroot and cabbage. I only put these in yesterday. I've just put this bag over it to keep the moisture in. And then we've also got some cauliflowers in there. This plant is from last year, which it looks like it's shriveling up, but I've given it a good water today because when I came in here it was like really starting to shrivel up, and I think it's just thirsty. So it lasted over winter. I love the smell of this stuff, it is really nice. It lasted over winter really well, so it stayed in the greenhouse. When it gets warm enough I'll put it out. Got an Acer in here. It was outside, I just thought I'd bring it inside here for a bit. They're random, I'm not going to go into them. Needs a good tidy up. I mean, look at the bottom. And then these are some climbing roses, and I think this one's a standard rose, which is like a lilac-y colour. You see, my mum, she likes to buy plants and then she doesn't know where to put them, so we are waiting for a place for them to go on. And then this is a petunia from last year, which I have kept in here, and it seems to look really healthy at the moment. This one I don't know the name of, but it was in one of the planters and I brought it in and it's still alive from last year. We've got some planters around here. Gorgeous hellebore. Let me try and show you. It's gorgeous. This one I think is like slightly weird. Don't know what's happened to that one. Also have a cabbage in here because I had some over in this pallet and I kept forgetting about them and they got really dry in there, so I brought them into that planter. I've got another two in the flower bed over there, but I'll go into that in a bit. This is a butler's sink. Got some tulips popping up. Got a verbena lollipop, which I've chopped back yesterday, all the dead flowers, and there is new growth on it. This is the silver shed, which, let me pan back a bit. This area, it needs to be looked at. So we're thinking about getting rid of these two and just getting a bigger shed. But all the tools and stuff are in that one, and then we have a rabbit in that shed, but the shed is falling apart. But I won't go much into that because that's all strawberries. This is the dumping pile. So these are all rabbit cages and runs and an old bed frame which my nan gave me, which I used all along here for new raised beds on the back flower garden. I also built this little bit here because why not? It was an area that looked a bit blank, and this tree has like dipped the ground a bit here, so I thought I'll do something here. I've got sweet peas, lobelia, nothing in these ones I don't think. This is a gooseberry, sunflowers, marigolds, sunflowers. Them ones are giant sunflowers, so they'll be interesting. Got a gorgeous eucalyptus, gunny. Lots in here which I can do another video on, specific plants in the back flower garden, maybe at a later date. This is just a mess as well. Yeah, I've got another cabbage down here, and they're doing a lot better now that they're in the ground and not in that wooden pallet. And then we have the pond area, which needs to be cleaned out and the pump put back on. This is the composting area. It's a mess. We are thinking about maybe putting a shed somewhere there to hide all the mess. Gorgeous hydrangeas coming out nicely. I want to also show what I've got inside at the moment. Cucumbers, peppers, can't remember the variety name of these, I'll have to get them out. Right, we had a bit of a fall with one of these trays when they were downstairs when I was on holiday. My brother was looking after them when the cat, sorry I'm out of breath, just shows how unfit I am. The cat knocked this over and they went flying, and to be honest I'm surprised that some of them still lasted. So we've got sunflowers here and more sunflowers, and then I've just planted in some new bits, just random bits. I think that them ones are dahlias popping up. And then I planted on my tomatoes, they're just some of them. Got some more sweet pea, and we've got physalis here, which is the orange Chinese lantern. I put some more zinnias down here. Oh my god, we've got germination already. Crazy, I only put them in yesterday. And I'll show you sweet corn and my other tomatoes, but these are the cucumbers and peppers, and they're looking pretty good. Usually with peppers I don't have good start with them, they always tend to get like green fly really quickly, but they seem to be alright. Hopefully I haven't jinxed that. These are the other tomatoes which I have singly potted. We've got tomato marmalade, I think, marmalade, I think so, yeah, I think. Oh, I just ripped a blooming leaf off. Oh, it's not too bad though, because it's one of the leaves that it doesn't need anymore. And then I've also got sweet corn here, which I've never grown before, so that will be an experience. Yeah, lots of things germinating, can't wait. So yeah, really excited. It is so hot in the front of this window, but yeah, at the moment it is the coronavirus outbreak, so things are a bit crazy at the moment, can't really go out anyway, so doing lots of gardening, getting things done in the garden which need doing, and sowing lots of new seeds. And I think I'm going to have a lot more time to do things this year, so I'm doing more than usual. But if you want to see any certain things in the garden, let me know, comment below, and I will try and do that. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video.